So we did a thing.
A big thing.
We bought a motorhome and decided to start a whole new chapter of our life. Hello everyone, I'm Jay.
And I'm Rachelle.
And this is just Coachin'.
RV Life with Jay and Rachelle. I can't see anything.
Nah, that's okay. South Shores Park. Spring break 2026. We're off. Here we are at South Shores Park on Lake Bastrop, part of the Lower Colorado River Authority Park System. We got here yesterday, really just kind of got set up, went into town, and came back and just hung out. It was a long day yesterday of travel and setting up. So now we're going to do a quick walk around and go down to the lake. Rachelle will probably read a little bit. I'll probably throw a couple lines in the water. So let's see what we've got. Oh, man down. All right, we are in Site 30. As you can already see, it's a full hookup, which is awesome. Full hookup. 30 or 50 water and sewer. Super private with the neighbors. You can just see a glimpse of the neighbors over there with a little pathway. Also a spot, nobody is over there, but again, a pathway to get over there if you wanted. Nice picnic area. Nice grill. Yeah. I just noticed that. Other side.
Other side?
Nope.
Shows what I know.
Let's see.
It's heavy. I'm weak.
Get heavy. She couldn't open the lid, so Rachelle's not cooking.
Rachelle's not cooking on a grill anyway.
What do we gotta do here? Will you move that little locking?
Yeah, right. How am I supposed to move it?
That's a hot mess.
We're not cooking on that.
Tent site or outdoors area with a trail to somewhere.
Yeah,
Not
that's
really.
cool. If the kids wanted to come camp, they
you
could
definitely put a tent back there.
there.
Nice and flat. Plenty of tree cover. Lantern hanger. Concrete pad. I was a little concerned with getting level, but we didn't have any issues with level, so we're good. It's got a slight slope, but all good. And then fire pit.
Fire pit that you can cook on if you
and
want.
then that's the next pad is right over there, which is empty right now. That's not a road.
No, that is a road.
No, that
right
is a
there.
road, sorry. The next pad is actually right there. Sorry. So extremely private in some of the spots. Okay, let's hop in the Jeep and take a quick tour of South Shore Park, part of the Lower Colorado River Authority park system. So here we're coming up to the, well, we're coming up to the dumpster so we can drop off our trash. And we're going to pull in here. This is the boat ramp, and as you can see, there is plenty of space for boats to park, or trailers to park. There's a single boat ramp there. And now we're going to go into the day use area, and a cool feature here is a 9-hole putt-putt to the right. They've got beach volleyball, tetherball, lots of picnic tables. Here's the first section of cabins that's in the day use area. And now we're going to head around to the overnight. And there on your right is a park host, one of 2 that I noticed. Scratch that, one of 3 actually. So 3 park host sites. And to the right is the camp store. We're going to take a left, go into the RV. And here we are going around the first of 2 RV loops. And coming up here on the right is the overnight lake use area. Lots of kids, as you will see in this video. And there's the second RV loop. It's a short loop, but you really have to be careful driving in this area. As you can see, lots of kids, which is great. That's us on the right. And now we are going to go into the cabin area. These are really cool cabins, and we'll highlight these on part 2, or our activities day, where we kind of really showcase all the things that you can do here at South Shore Park. But Rachelle and I were really impressed with these cabins. Now, they're bare bones. Don't get me wrong. They do not have restrooms. There's very nice restroom facilities, but nothing in the cabin. So just know that ahead of time. But they're right on the water. Really, really cool. And so now we are going to take a left, head toward the camp store, and exit. Nope, more kids. These guys were everywhere. That's okay. Camp store there on the left. Not much there, so come prepared, but, you know, super nice people. And then this is the entrance and exit to the park.